Hello everyone, in this video we are going to replace this old ring in the Dodge Durango 2014 model with this cheap item. So this like $2-3 to order, and we are going to put it here and see how it looks. So for the first stage we will clean this, and then we are going to install this one, and the good thing is already comes with the pre-installed glue, so it will be very easy. So first step, let's clean this one. So you can use any wet wipes, doesn't matter the brand or something. It's just important that they have this kind of alcohol to clean it up good, and then of course use some dry wipes to remove any excessive wetness or water, so it can glue nicely. Again, any brand, doesn't matter which wipes you will use. Just it's important now to clean all the water out, and we will now glue the new sticker. Now you have all kind of brands for this one, like carbon one, and all kind of things like different designs, so you can check the link in the description of this video if you like to order some other. But I like this one, and it's kind of rubber, it's flexible, so let's see how it will be when we stick it. Sorry about the angle, but this is the best I could do when using both hands. So like I said, this one comes with the pre-installed glue, which is good, and the important thing and the good thing is that you don't need to remove the old one, because this is just a sticker on top of the old one. So if you remove this one, there will be a holes left inside, so you just stick this new one, but we need to be careful to align it properly, otherwise it will not look nice. So let me start maybe from the bottom here.
A great success!
So this is the final look. It's maybe not perfect, but as you can see, it is much better than before, and I really like it. And this color, why I choose like the red one, because it will fit, it will tally up with the interior, as you can see all these things. So now it's a perfect match for me. So yeah, that will be all for this video. I hope you like this quick fix, and I will update you in the comments below how long it is, like does it last, but I'm pretty sure it will, because it's kind of like a rubber, and you can see it's ideal, like it's not above, so it will be bad under your finger once you drive. It's very smooth, so this is really good. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.